searching for documents, folders, files, project, in the knowledge database, contacts database, and welfare throughout the site, through everything that sort of is contained within SPSolution and SharePoint has been made easier and stronger through technology that INVO has developed, such as the login tool and the automatic collection of metadata that takes place in order to classify and tag documents automatically. When we are searching in the system, it's important to be aware of the hierarchy, the way we have created the hierarchy with regards to especially sites and folders and the structure we have built up. And the reason I say that is because the search is very powerful, very strong. You can also limit it according to sort of the results you want to have and the knowledge you have of what you're searching of. However, if you are not sure where things are located, I mean, the powerful search can take place on a site basis or total site basis on the total intranet as such. So let's do an example on that. Let's say we are searching on the whole site for documents that actually I have created myself. So I put in my name, of course, in the search button up to the search field up to the right, and what we will get up in this scenario is a total overview of everything that's on the site that I have created. It's, if you see all the way out to the left here, it's anything from email and images, PDF, PowerPoint. There's even more, makes bigger here, blogs, etc. that I have created. So it's a whole lot of things. It goes site-wide. We also have the possibility, if we know, let's say we know that the document I'm looking for was created not today, but let's say about a month ago. So we can limit and filter searches as well by using this the sliders over here for the time period we are looking at. And another way to search is, of course, to make use of the automatic collection of metadata that takes place when we use the logging tool. So instead of having to remember who created the document and when and what it was named, we can basically just go in and use the search field and add some text from what it contained. So I happen to know that the document I uploaded was about cars, it was about Mercedes, so I can put in some keywords there and search for it, and will of course be taken directly to that document. It's about Mercedes' history. Here I could also mention, like with any documents that we will find through the logging tool that is stored in SharePoint and SPSolution. Once we find the document and go into it, we have of course the possibility here to edit the document immediately via Word online or local. Basically work on the document directly like this. So we can add text, we can change, we can do whatever, and once we are finished, we just go out, and the document will be automatically stored. We go through the back button here, it's quicker, automatically stored again in SharePoint. As we saw, we just added some text. We edited that document a little bit. Another thing I would also like to mention for you is from this position with any documents or files, of course. It's very easy when we are in the library here. You see we have the 3 buttons next to the document name. We get up the next window and we go to the further 3 buttons here. We actually have many things there that you might want to use, but in this scenario I wanted to tell you about the version history as well. All the documents that will be updated will have a version history, so we can actually see what has been going on when, and we can revert back to previous versions if we so desire. So I think you're starting to grasp to get a good idea of how the search function works. I also want to mention that, of course, it is also for the other functions as well. Let's say in a project, you can do the same thing, and you can search for keywords that are that you remember from either the content of the stored project or on a project name. And let's say in this scenario, we search for SPSolution. We know that we have been working on a project for SPSolution. I mean, we can see it here, but in case it was too much showing of content, we could of course filter it down and select only team sites. Then we will see that this is the team site we are looking for, and then we're able to click here and go straight into the team site.